I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Hello everyone and welcome to Let's Cook It. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to make the basic Lebanese rice. And most of the Lebanese rice, they use the vermicelli noodle. But if you don't have it, today I want to show you, you can use any thin spaghetti style. And this one here, it's the capellini. So either you use a spaghettini or capellini. Capellini a little thinner than spaghettini, and that's what we're gonna use in the Lebanese rice today. So all what we need just to break it apart small pieces. So about 1 inch long, the capellini, we break it all apart. And you can put as much as you want. Me, I like the pasta in the rice. So I'm gonna put a little bit more than usual. And I have here beautiful clarified butter that I make. And I'm gonna put it in the description box, the link how to make it. So clarified butter or ghee. And now we're gonna turn the stove on a medium. And we're gonna cook the capellini till they are nice golden brown. My God, when you cook with the clarified butter, the whole house smells like a theater. It's like you're having popcorn with butter. That's how good it tastes. So this one here, you want it like a little bit darker color because when you boil it, the color will be a little lighter than what you see it now. So we're gonna cook it a little bit more. Nice, you see that? It's nice and dark now. Now before we add the water, I'm gonna add the rice, and I'll tell you why. And of course the rice is pre-washed. So we're gonna cook the rice here with the butter first before we add the water for 30 seconds or so. That way the rice coated with the butter, so when it's fully cooked, it won't stick together. Now I'm gonna add the water, salt, pepper. So always salt and pepper to your taste. Give it a little stir, bring it to boil, reduce your heat to low, cover it up for 10 to 12 minutes, and we'll check on it after. Look at this here. Can you see those small tiny volcanoes? That's a sign your rice almost ready. Nice. Look at this. Let's take a quick peek under. Perfect. No liquid in the bottom. So that means the rice ready. Just give it last quick mix. Look at that lovely rice. Wow. So I brought the water to boil and then I put it down to low for 20 minutes. And this is the result we have. Now I'm gonna cover it and let it rest for 20 to 25 minutes before we serve it. And this time I did have the patience and I did wait 25 minutes for the rice. You can use it for stew, side plate, whatever you like, but my favorite is with plain yogurt. Yes, rice and plain yogurt. Look how good it is. Yeah, this is my 4th spoon so far. Wow, a little bit buttery, super fluffy, Lebanese basic rice, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.